What's going on, DMZ TV? Welcome back. It's your host, Nick. And today we have a double dose for you. That's right, Nick. What's going on? It's your co-host, the Italian Stallion. And on today's episode of DMZ TV, we are going to be talking about the Lavoo hybrid. Alright, so today's episode is brought to you by Lavoo Hookah. Yes, big shout outs to George from Lavoo Hookah for providing this beautiful hybrid glass hookah for us. We've been smoking it for about a month now, I would say. Yeah, it has been about a month and a half, I would say. Alright, a month and a half. It is one of our go-to hookahs, in my opinion, to smoke on a regular basis. But enough about the semantics, Nick. Are you ready to break this hookah down? Yeah, absolutely. Let's get this thing crack-a-lackin'. Alright, so we have the Lavoo hookah broken down into 5 total pieces. The model of this Lavoo is the H1 hybrid. It's like the Hummer, the big boy. You know what it is. So, as you can see, the hookah is made out of all glass. It's a high quality glass. It's also incorporated with aluminum. Makes it a hybrid glass hookah. So, Stallion, let's put this thing together already. Yeah, let's put this thing together already. Alright, first we're going to start with the hub of the hookah. We're going to take the hub of the hookah and screw in the down stem to the hub. Fits in nicely. So you can see at the bottom it has a built-in diffuser. Now we're going to take the hub and the stem and we're going to pop it into the hookah. Alright, now that that's together, nice and tight, sealed, we're going to put in the purge valve. And then we're going to top it with the all-glass Lavoo bowl. Now, if you notice in the design of this bowl, it's rigid on the edges. That's to keep it from getting hot in those places, so when you take it off, it's not going to be too hot for you to handle. Alright, now that the hookah's put together and ready to roll, Stallion, you want to smoke this thing or what? Yeah, let's bust this thing down. Alright then, let's roll. Alright, so we have the coals on top, the bowl is packed, and the hookah is freshly squeezed and ready for consumption. Now, today's choice of tobacco is brought to you by Adalia. It's Turkish style tobacco, it's delicious. Alright, Stallion, but before you start smoking the hookah, it's time for smoke check. Today, we're obviously using the H1 hybrid hookah from Levu. The hose of choice, we're using a Mia hose with a built-in grommet. The bowl is a Lavoo all glass bowl. The coals, 26mm Shaman. The HMD is going to be the Cloud Lotus, keeping everything nice and tight and hot in there. Alright, Stallion, let's see what you got to smoke. Nice clouds, I like that. Alright, now with the hookah. On this hookah, the water level, we keep about 2 inches. I know most hookahs, it's about 1 to 1.5, but with the open draw and everything, you need a little more water to get a good, adequate level of smoke. Now, I understand you may have your favorite bowl at home that you like to use religiously. That's okay, because you can buy, sold separately, the male attachment for this hookah, and you can put on any bowl you please. Alright, well, Stallion, let's get one more pull and see what you got. Second round. Wow. Alright, so that concludes our short video today of the unveiling of the H1 hybrid hookah from Lavoo. Big shout outs to George again for the hookah. Alright, now, don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and ring the little bell at the top to stay tuned for any future episodes we have coming your way. Right now, you know what it is. It's Italian Stallion and your boy Nick, and we are out.
Stallion, I guess you did an okay job today.
What do you mean I did an okay job? I'm fucking beautiful. I smile, look pretty.
Yeah,
what
but
else do you want?
You lacked a lot of charisma and, you know, spunk.
Bro, we run the same energy. I don't know what you're talking about with all this.
Alright, you know what? I'm tired of your voice. I'm handling this. 3.
Oh, what are you
doing?
1.
No.
Out.